Yesterday has passed, and it's the beginning of a new era now, which gives impetus to the power of rural India, armed with the strength of knowledge. This sunrise of knowledge has brought about a constructive change in the lifestyle of lakhs of children and villagers in remote India, in the disturbed border villages and in villages where extremists are active. Education and village development have given birth to a unique revolution in the villages of India. Ekal Abhiyan has inspired and has become the creative ideology of the millions. For the last 29 years, Ekal has been working for the educational, economic and social empowerment of the people in such backward areas. Today, in more than 65,000 villages, Ekal provides primary education, healthcare education, development education, awareness education and value education. Ekal has already educated about 2 million children and helped in empowering lakhs of elders. To move forward with the technological advancement, Ekal has also experimented and trained its teachers of a block to teach with the help of tablets.
When the picture is shown, it comes to the mind quickly. I also learn from what is shown and enact it too, and also make other children learn. This has brought the change in them. I have learned to use a tablet. I should now learn computer as well. I feel like I should have both, a tablet and a laptop.
With the successful outcome of this experiment, Ekal has moved forward using the tablets in many more schools. These tabs not only benefit the students, but the teachers of the schools also get the opportunity to enhance their capability.
Watching the video of the cleanliness campaign, I also learned that we should throw garbage in the dustbin and it should not be thrown in the open. The video shows senior girls from whom I also learned to teach and taught other girls how we can defend ourselves.
Guru Nanak Dev Ji gave the message of Seva and Bhakti, and Ekal is also working on the same lines. Ekal is giving the education through tabs to the rural children, and this is a big thing in this area. Gurdwara supports Ekal and we are also with the Ekal.
Ekal Abhiyan is furthering Digital India campaign through its Gramothan resource centers and is providing computer training to thousands of children and rural youth at the centers. Ekal, with its innovative thinking, introduced Ekal on Wheels, a specially designed computer van to reach at the doorsteps of the villagers. This unique effort to make rural youth digitally literate is an invaluable gift for their empowerment by Ekal Abhiyan. Today, thousands of young people in remote India have been benefited. While on the one side, Ekal Abhiyan is building a brighter future for children through education, on the other side, villagers are getting a new direction through various skilling projects at 13 Gramothan resource centers established across the country. At these centers, farmers are trained in making vermin compost, cow urine-based pest repellents, along with its use in their fields and nutrition gardens. As a result, in many villages, the wastelands of small farmers have become fertile, and by cultivating fruits, flowers and vegetables in nutrition gardens, the quality of their life has also improved.
In my nutritional garden, lavender, maize, papaya, vegetable, fenugreek, orange, guava, chiku, etc. is grown. From lavender, I earn 15,000 to 20,000 rupees, and from vegetables, 10,000 to 15,000 rupees. We eat papaya and some other produce too.
At these centers, tailoring training programs, specially for women, have been started to empower them. The trained women have started earning additional income.
आम्हाला एकल विद्यालय एकल अभियान येथून प्रशिक्षण घेतलं आम्ही आणि त्याच्यामुळे आम्ही घर बसल्या 20 ते 15 पिशव्या शिवू शकतो. महिन्याला 3000 तरी आम्हाला रोजगार मिळतो.
With the help of local resources, women folk in villages have been making various handicraft items but did not find outlets to sell these products. Ekal has come to their help and introduced their art and work to society. The health wing of Ekal Abhiyan, Arogya Foundation, has been providing training to its health workers on Ayurvedic plants to protect the health of villagers through home remedies. And very recently, making use of technology, Arogya has launched its first telemedicine project in Orissa. Health-related messages are painted on the walls of the houses in the villages to spread awareness. Now villagers themselves are making soak pits for water drainage and explaining other people to keep their surrounding environment clean. Through Sanskar program under value education by Ekal Abhiyan, villagers are educated to get rid of tobacco and liquor addiction. This has helped not only in improving their financial position, but also in bringing harmony in the family and in the society. Ekal Abhiyan's Gram Swarajya Manch makes villagers aware about government welfare schemes for their areas. By introducing the villagers to Right to Information Act, many issues have been solved. These efforts of Ekal Abhiyan have strengthened the roots of social change. Today there are more than 65,000 one-teacher schools with your support. You are the reason of this revolution of education and development. Look at the brightness of these children's eyes and their smiling faces. You are defining their bright future. This country, its soil, and Ekal Abhiyan belong to none other than you. Come forward, help and resolve to support Ekal Abhiyan reach to 1 lakh villages soon. This is the true service to motherland.